Oh, hello, happy owner of machine Jura ENA 8 or maybe ENA 4 or I got machine ENA 8, so let's disassemble it, clean brew unit. About repairing of brew unit I got another video, so now I just firstly talk about how to open this machine. So let's start. First of all, take out our water tank. After, just little turn this ring, this little button, and afterward turn it little anti-clockwise, and you can take out this ring. We need to take out this Jura logo. Just click by click take this out. It got 3 fingers. Now after we need to take out these plastic lines. How to remove these 2 lines sliders? Just by some screwdriver. As you can see, here is small clicks. Let me show you closer. You must something push these clicks, and after move this slider to the top, and bottom one too. Push this click and move it to the top, and now you can see 4 screws that holds both sides. So let's unscrew them. Let's try just pull to the side, to the back of the machine, this panel. Just use some push or kick by side panel, and after move it to the back, because when I gently tried to push it to the back, it didn't help me at all. Just 2 kicks by your all fingers, and this panel can be out. After, let's take out this panel what hides our brew unit. It actually didn't have any screws, I think. Just help yourself by little screwdriver. Now we in our brew unit. Let's take it out. First take out this plastic wastewater line. After let's unscrew screw what holds our drainage valve. It must be here. Here it is. Your finger is the best tool. And after, take out these 2 screws, one here, one here. It holds all brew unit on its place. I use some long screwdriver. This is with some angle. It let me unscrew these main screws of brew unit, and don't forget to unclick release this tube. My congratulations, we now got our brew unit and can disassemble it and clean it. On my YouTube channel you can find such videos, so just recommended it. So now I will do this. So little life hacks about disassembling brew unit. First of all, let's take out this scrub. After take out on 2 screws this piston. After, let's take out this cylinder. It got on 1 screw T10. Unscrew it, and by using some tool push these small clicks and remove it to the top. After, let's unscrew these 2 screws what holds tubes. Remember for yourself what tubes was there. I'll just see this video once again. When unscrew this screw and this screw and try to push out this frame from with this gear. First of all, I recommended to take this little frame out, take this big gear. Now we can move this frame out, and after unscrew this screw. Don't forget this white part, this from gear. Here it is. Now we can, yes and no, yes, move this another frame to the top and take it out. Next, our actions. Take out this white gear and remember from what side it was. If you see this little step, it must be to the down of the brew unit. After, like on any brew unit of the Jura, just unclick this two sides panel. Let's do this. Every panel gets 4 ears, clicks or holding fingers from one side and from other side. Here it is. Now we can take out this piston assembly. When you will assemble it, do it in the same way. This part you can move to the top, take to the side. After you must remove this metal piece, and at that moment your legs of your brew unit will go out. Inside top piston there is one click what holds caramel valve. Push it and take it out. Unscrew screw what holds shower. Don't forget to take out these bearings. There is 4 on each brew unit. Take cylinder in top. It's not top, angle position. In angle position, when you can slide your drainage valve and take it out. After you must unclick these 2 holders, clicks what holds this shaft. On this shaft moves your cylinder. 1 click, and our is a broken one on this machine. This time it can be, as you can see, it broken. Oh, of course you can replace it by not just original one, but any one what got same sizes as on this machine. Your cylinder with small piston moves easily. Our goal to turn it in back position and push it to the down when our small piston can go out. Now it in our hands, and just move these ears to the back of the frame and little by little try to remove main cylinder. It's not easy, but absolutely possible. Here it is. And next interesting action goes out, take out this trident. You can use your skills, any ideas. I just turn it from side to side when accidentally it's go out by itself. something like this. There is no clear rules. When it was in this position, I can push it to the back, to the side of this frame, and little by little it change angle and goes out side by side. Drainage valve, unscrew these two screws, and of course let me show you. You need Torx T8 screwdriver. Don't lose them because they are very individual. Some click here. Now just use some stick, take out this cover, push to the by your fingers, better will be. It holds itself very strong. Yes. Now just use this tool, your screwdriver or stick, and main part of the drainage valve take out. Disassemble it and clean inside. It got inside free with rubber part. This time they need to be replaced. This nose can go out too, but this time it got some problems with it. So just firstly clean it in water and after try to. I think I will help you as much as I can. Thank you. Goodbye.